What's your go-to coffee drink to cozy up with during the fall? Fall is finally here, and you know what that means. Cozy sweaters, crunchy leaves, and of course, delicious fall coffee recipes to warm our souls. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you my top 5 must-try fall coffee recipes that will make your taste buds do the happy dance. I have to admit, I'm a little guilty of making a mess in the kitchen when experimenting with new fall coffee recipes. Who else has accidentally turned their kitchen into a pumpkin spice explosion? Am I the only one? Now let's dive into the first recipe, Maple Walnut Latte. This one's a classic fall favorite, and for good reason. The combination of rich maple syrup, creamy milk, and crunchy walnuts is simply divine. To make it, you'll need espresso, milk, maple syrup, walnuts, and a pinch of cinnamon. Simply brew your espresso, froth your milk, and combine the two with a drizzle of maple syrup and a sprinkle of crushed walnuts. Easy peasy. Next up, we have the spiced apple cider coffee. This one's perfect for crisp fall mornings when all you want to do is cozy up with a warm cup of joe. As a matter of fact, Joe, if you're watching, you still owe me $5, so if you're out there, let me know if you got that for me. But anyway, let's get back to coffee. You'll need strong brewed coffee, apple cider, cinnamon sticks, and a hint of nutmeg. Simply brew your coffee, add in apple cider and spices, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together beautifully. Our third recipe is the pumpkin cream cold brew. I know what you're thinking. Cold brew in the fall. Trust me, this one's a game changer. You'll need cold brew coffee, pumpkin puree, cream, vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice. Combine the cold brew, pumpkin puree, and cream in a blender. Blend until smooth and top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of spice. The fourth recipe is the cranberry orange mocha. This one's perfect for those who love a fruity twist on a classic mocha. You'll need espresso, milk, cranberry syrup, orange extract, and chocolate shavings. Simply brew your espresso, froth your milk, and combine the two with cranberry syrup and a squeeze of orange extract. Top with chocolate shavings and you're good to go. Last but not least, we have the snickerdoodle coffee. This one's a sweet treat for those with a sweet tooth. You'll need strong brewed coffee, cream, sugar, cinnamon, and a hint of nutmeg. Simply brew your coffee, add in cream, sugar, and spices, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together beautifully. I have to say, taste testing these recipes was a real challenge. Said no one ever. The combination of flavors and textures in each recipe is just amazing. If you're feeling adventurous, I'd love for you to share your favorite fall coffee recipe in the comments below. Or, if you're feeling extra curious, vote on which recipe you want me to try next in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And now for the grand finale, my secret ingredient to take your fall coffee game to the next level. Drum roll, please. It's cardamom. Yes, you read that right. A pinch of cardamom can add a unique and fascinating flavor dimension to your fall coffee recipes. Trying new recipes and experimenting with new flavors is what makes fall so magical, don't you think? The season just screams cozy, comfort, and joy. And what better way to experience that than with a warm cup of coffee in your hands? Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved this video, be sure to check out my other recipe video. Link in the description box below. Happy sipping, and I'll see you in the next one.